Are you dealing with some extra flab on your underarms? Then get rid of your bat wings with this arm workout. We have 4 exercises, 10 minutes, and you are gonna burn some fat and have a great time with me. So this is gonna be completely standing, no weights involved. So grab a friend, grab some water, and let's get started. We have small arm circles. This can also serve as a warm-up. What we're gonna wanna do is stand up, feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in our knees, and we really wanna focus on contracting our core, tightening everything, because even though we're just focusing on the arms, this can be a full body movement. So think as if you're pressing the ground away with your feet, really have a stable base, almost like screw your feet in, now you're firm, and even when you're doing these arm circles, really you wanna feel it all over. So here we go, we're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock, and 3, 2, 1. All right, just small arm circles like this. Having a slight bend in my knees just so that I can make sure I have my core tight, back flat. Just focusing on really extending with our fingertips as far as we can. And we're gonna switch directions in 3, 2, 1, switch. Even something small like this, these are just micro movements, but honestly, my core is on fire, especially if we're pushing away the ground. This is gonna really warm me up really quick. Couple more seconds here, 3, 2, 1, and done. Flow your arms around like this. Really stretch it out. Next, we have some unicorn taps. We are gonna be focusing on overhead. So here we go, same position. Again, push the ground away with your feet. Strong, stable base. Everything should be firm, core as well. 3, 2, 1. We're just going overhead and trying to touch the back of our hands together, just like this. So again, strong, stable base. Make sure your back is flat. Don't be too far forward. Just wanna be just like this. Reach as far as you can up. And these small movements like this, trying to tap the back of your hand together. You're doing great. Your arm in this position for so long. I mean, it's only 30 seconds, it's not too bad. But your arm's gonna start fatiguing. And this is how you burn those calories, baby. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Gently drop your arms. There we go. I know you're feeling it now. We're not done yet. Next, we have some tricep crisscross. Here we go. You're just going to reach. Have your arms right behind your back like so. You want that angle. And again, really focus on extending and pushing your fingertips away from you. So as we're doing this, we're just going to alternate between crossing our hands front just like this. Your triceps are going to feel it the whole time. So 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I like to have a slight lean forward. But again, same position, feet screwed into the ground, core tight, really focusing my attention on my triceps. Now, if you have a big back like me, you may not be able to get, because like obviously if your arms are in front of you, you can really extend your hands in this crisscross motion, but with your back, you have your back, your lats, everything in the way. But the intention is what matters. Couple more seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Oh, triceps on fire, but we have one more exercise to go. We have overhead presses. Again, same position. Like I'm just moving just to show you guys, but you could just stay locked into place. Pretend it's like a martial arts stance. Here we go, overhead presses in 3, 2, 1. All we're doing is getting our arms in 90-degree angles like so. We really want to feel the squeeze here as if we're trying to, flex. But then all we're doing is reaching for the sky, boom. You just want to pull back, just like this. Keep this nice tension going. Keep your arms right overhead. Bring it to 90 degrees, especially if you're dealing with any rotator cuff injuries like that. Instead of just going a 90-degree angle, bring it to a 45 like so. And you should release any tension or any discomfort while still getting that burn. A couple more seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Great job, there you have it. There's your 4 exercises. Let's grab some water. And we'll get started with the next set in just a second. Alrighty, you are now nice and warmed up. So let's get started with set number 2 right now. Small arm circles in 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Unicorn taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep crisscross, 3, 2, 1, go. Overhead press, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done, one more to go. Let's grab some water, and you know the drill. One more set to go, don't even think about it, finish strong. We want to get rid of these bat wings, baby. So here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Small arm circles in 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Unicorn taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep crisscross, 3, 2, 1, go. Overhead press, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That's how you get rid of your bat wings with this arm workout. Again, like I said, 4 easy exercises. We were in and out. Your arms should be on fire by now. If they were not, go ahead and do a couple more sets and then come back to me, because I know some people are like, this was easy, while other people are saying like, this is hard. So We just want to hear from you guys either way. So leave comments, let us know. Do you want us to up the intensity, bring it down, maybe come up with alternatives for you guys? Whatever you want, we want to hear from you. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.